guys, it's Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you consider subscribing. What I have for you today is a Hobby Lobby fall haul for 2022. I popped in there for one thing, and what can I say? This happened. It's a small haul, but I think it's got some really good things, okay? And Maggie is in the floor near the window, so she'll probably be hopping up here pretty soon. I don't know. Okay. So I got two things at 75% off, and then the rest was just 40% off. So let's hop into this haul from Hobby Lobby for fall, okay? The first thing I picked up were these adorable wooden leaves. Look at that bark on there. You get 3 leaves, and the underside is just plain. Look at that. Looks so farmhouse, and they were $5.99, but all fall is 40% off. Do you need help? Sometimes she gets so pitiful. Okay, so you get 3 of these. This one's a little thicker, and these two are a little thinner, but I thought these might be pretty on my table because I found a farmhouse table and chairs on Facebook Marketplace. I purchased it for $220, beyond thrilled. It even has little drawers on the side of the table on both sides. And it's white, which is what I wanted. Only thing I have to do is just stain the top. So that's coming. I hope to do that this evening, okay? So, but I don't want to show it to you just yet, okay? So let's keep up with this haul. But I may change up what I was going to do with my table. Who knows what I'll do, okay? Then the next thing I found were these Robert Stanley candle holders. Look at this. I love the black up at the top, and this is just like basically a natural wood that's been whitewashed. I love it. It was $24.99, but 40% off, so I picked up 2 of these because I'm going to start buying things, I think, in 3s, like Mom has always told me, and sometimes I just don't do it. But I picked up 2 of these. I think these are going to be beautiful. And then I picked up the little guy here that goes with it. Isn't that beautiful? I love all that distressing. He was $19.99. So you can see the difference in the height. So I have 2 of the large and this one. I think it's going to be beautiful wherever I put it. I could do it on the mantle. I could do it on my table. I could put this anywhere and it'd be beautiful, okay? Then look what I found. 75% off. I was shocked. I really was. This little candle holder. I love its square base, and it was reduced $6.24, and it was originally $24 something, okay? But I saw that and I loved it. It's, yeah, $6.24. But look at that. Would that not be pretty? Maybe on a table sometime, anywhere really. My farmhouse hutch, entryway, so pretty. And it has the little felt on the bottom. I was shocked to see that this was still there, but it was the last one. They didn't have 2, or I would have snagged it, okay? Then look at this. This was 75% off, and I could not leave this. Look at this. Look at this beautiful, it's black metal. It has the little ball feet, and then it has this wood right in here, and then the wood tray. And it is large. I can't believe that it was still there. Oh, it was the last one. It was originally $59.99, but 75% off. This will be beautiful wherever I want to put it. That table, it would be gorgeous on. So even my little bar area. So I had to snag that. That was my last 2 pieces of 75% off, okay? Then when I was in there, I went ahead and picked up this mug. It said, I love fall most of all. I just think that's so pretty. That sort of, it's orange, and then it has that like darker specks in it, and then that dark rim around it, and then the inside is cream. And it was $11.99, but when you take 40% off, I didn't think it was bad, okay? Then I picked up, before I get to this in the floor, I'd been wanting this tall welcome sign for fall. It says Hello Fall, and the back side just says welcome, okay? So I went ahead and picked it up, and it was $39.99, but at 40% off, you bet I snagged it. That's going to be beautiful on our front porch. And I could have made it, and I've made other signs before, but I just thought I would just go ahead and get it because wood's so expensive. That's why I was thrilled that I found that table for $220. You could not build it for that, okay? All right, then I found more pumpkins. What can I say? Look at this. Is this not beautiful? And then naturally you need to, these leaves are kind of used to being everywhere. You're gonna have to train them. But look at that. I love how that looks. I love the stem. Okay, and it has the little curly Q there, and then these leaves I think are so pretty. So I picked up 3 of these. What am I gonna do with 3 more pumpkins? I don't know, but I'm gonna have fun. You could even, if you wanted, I don't think I'm going to do it, but you could even set them on these little candle holders, and I think they would be beautiful. But I don't think that's what I'm gonna do, okay? Then I picked up some of these. They're by Robert Stanley. It's his signature collection, just his tableware, and it just looks like wood. And I thought that looked so pretty. And they were originally $6.09, 40% off. And they each vary just a little bit. You can see this one looks like this, and I like how they're not totally round. So I found that one. Then I found this one. Now Kirkland's has some beautiful solid wood ones, but they're $16.99 a piece, and I wasn't gonna pay that, but they are beautiful. But look at this, and they're a real beautiful dark wood. Then this one looks like this. These are gonna be so pretty. I don't know where I'm gonna put them, but I had to get them. So I picked up 4 of those. And then the last thing in this haul, like I said, it's small, but it's mighty, okay? I picked up some of this. I've got 2 bundles of this because I think they're beautiful. And they were $7.99, but 40% off. These will be beautiful either in my living room, and I have a little basket hanging there, and then I have something hanging in the kitchen. I may put 1 each in that, or they would make a beautiful piece on my table. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I love them. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you'd subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload, okay? So I will see you Friday for some sort of fall decorate with me. If I get the table, but I don't think it will be done because I have to stain it, and then I have to wait 24 hours, and then they recommend 3 top coats. And I'm just doing the top of the table and the bottom of the chairs where you sit. So I don't know if it'll be ready. I really wanted to do the dining room and drink station as my first decorate with me. I've been looking so forward to it. So we'll just see how that goes. So it'll be somewhere in this house a fall decorate with me. So let me get Maggie, who is over there somewhere, and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby, and there goes the baby. She was taking a little nap. Maggie, look at Mama. Maggie, were you taking a nap? Yes. She said, hi, I love you. Yes, I do. Say, I'm a good girl. Say, I gotta let mommy and daddy cut my fingernails though. Say, they're getting too long. Every time we try it, she won't let us. And we've been trying for about a month. Say, but we're gonna try some more. Yes, we are. Oh, she's a sleepy baby. Mommy loves her. So, until next time, bye guys.